Do you know LinkedIn can help you to get your job? It's everybody is trying out to be on LinkedIn. The only thing they miss out is they really don't know what is that they need to create on LinkedIn. They will register their profile on LinkedIn, they will post a photo wearing say glare or wearing a cap or whatever it is. Just forget it. I have in my description below, I've given a link to my playlist. I've created an entire course about how to create your solid profile for your solid brand on LinkedIn. It will help you to get job in next 30 days. But today I'm going to share you just three things that you have to do on LinkedIn. After your profile is ready, ensure you post content say 2 to 3 times in a week. More than doing that, ensure that you comment every day to 10 posts. What happens is whenever you comment on somebody's post, they will see it and they will comment, they will check out your post and they will check out your profile. This is literally the one and single thing. By giving you will get. A lot of people will think, right, that I am on LinkedIn, what is the next thing I should do, how do I get a job? Go there and start commenting on all the HR professionals LinkedIn posts. Automatically all the HR professional will know you. Imagine doing this for next 20 days. They will send you connection request, and even if you respond to them and ask them that do is there a vacancy for this particular position, they will wholeheartedly help you out. Because one is their KPI is all about getting more candidates to join the company. The second thing is you are the only guy who or girl who has been commenting on their post. Won't they help you? Think over it. Thanks for joining in today and see you in the next video. By the way, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am your coach Moses Gomes and I help you to give you tips to get interviews. Bye.